On Lake Tapps Drive East, the road is flooded,
I'd say you'd probably be up to your waist.
but the neighbors seem to be making the most of it.
You want to try it?
Inflatable sharks and rubber ducks are floating on the water.
And there was a chicken on the other side earlier. It's right there. Is it still there?
Jared Swears even took a boat out.
We like to call it a pond. It's sort of just been a slowly expanding puddle.
The water is currently blocking his driveway.
We just put up a sort of a plastic burrito to try to stop it in case it kept rising.
For some on the block, it's no laughing matter.
It's flooded, but it never got up this high before.
The water's been here for about 2 weeks, and the flood's been growing ever since.
The best way to walk through the flooding here is along the fence, but it's not really advised as there's some potholes that you may not notice, which can get pretty deep.
Jared's watched at least 10 cars get stuck.
We've enjoyed the excitement. We got little kids and they like watching the tow trucks come and the fire department come.
The culprit? A clogged culvert on private property, which Pierce County says isn't their responsibility. That's left neighbors frustrated.
I just think that this is a county road. It's a county issue, and it needs to be fixed.
So for now, the neighbors will try to have some fun, put up with the detours, and simply wait until the property owner manages to clear it out. In Lake Tapps, Christian Balderas, King 5 News.